It's been a little past 100 days since this whole thing started. And to be honest, some days I don't take it so well. My days seem to blur into one another, and I feel so far removed from reality. It's been tough to say the least. So some days, like today, I just wanted to be reminded of things that make me happy. Like the real kind of happy. If you resonate with me, I hope you can get out of this drought eventually and be excited about life again.
Kama Sutra, does it suit you? Your velvet dress is slipping off. Would you stay with me? It's coming through you. Never knew how much it means.
Ride it, getaway car, there's a siren in the video.
When you spoke to me, but everyone needs something. I know that I'm no different. Swore picket fences, meet your parents, cast your shoes off in the pool. Don't it seem Carolina treat you better? I won't steal and I won't cheat. Would you stay with me? But everyone needs something. I know that I'm no different. And if you're not home, I'll be happy for you. Swore picket fences, meet your parents, cast your shoes off in the pool. Don't it seem Carolina treat you better? I won't steal and I won't cheat. Would you stay with me? Would you stay with me? But everyone needs something. I know that I'm no different. And if you're not home, I'll be happy for you. I'm happy for you.
So, actually, I'm supposed to pick something up
in my village, and I was supposed to, use my bike like any village person who wants to pick something up from nearby should. So I was supposed to just bike to her house, but I couldn't for the life of me get the tires to blow up. Like, I usually ask my dad to do that or my boyfriend, but that's another independent girl chapter that I'm gonna have to conquer some other time. To be honest, I'm just really happy that I got to go out the house. Let's go harvest some veggies. Come on, let's go. Could it be a cucumber?